bus.
See you again. I'm so happy. Hooray! Let's go out and play. Fire safety.
Hello, this is the fire station. You can call the fire station for help in case of an emergency. Hello, this is the fire station. What is your emergency?
The city has been flooded. The flood has swept away houses. Please come and help us.
Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, there is a flood in the city. Residents are trapped in the flood. Momo, I will set out for the rescue. You can wait ashore in case any help is needed. Let's prepare an emergency rescue boat first. Rescue boat is ready. Let's go! Drive the rescue boat to find the trapped residents. Slide to dodge these obstacles. Help! Someone's in the water. Help! Help them out of the water quickly. Help! Help! Someone on the car roof asked for help. Get over there quickly to help. Drag the trapped residents over. Put on the life jacket. Safety first. These are relief supplies. Get them out of the water quickly. The flood starts to overflow. Let's reinforce the riverbank. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. Pile up sandbags to prevent flood from coming ashore. Riverbank reinforcement is complete. Kiki, all residents trapped in the flood have been rescued and the flood has subsided. Rescue task is complete.
Whoa, whoa!
Should Whiskers separate himself from the rescue team during flood evacuation? You are right! Awesome! When there is a danger, follow the rescue team closely to ensure your own safety. Should Whiskers climb up the roof temporarily to stay safe after the flood submerges the house? You are right! Should Whiskers climb up to a higher place when there is a flood? You are right! Awesome! Whoa! Whoa!